afternoon, class. You all know that in the previous classes I have completed up to lesson 4 of your English workbook, children. Today I am going to start with your new chapter. This is lesson 5, Proof of Innocence. In this passage is given which is about Tenali Raman. Based on this, some questions are given which we have to solve. So come to the next page. So Tenali Raman studied in a school. According to the passage, Tenali Raman did not study in a school. So you can complete like this with the help of pencil, beta. Second is King Krishnadev Rai was brought up by his aunt in his uncle's house, but according to the story, Tenali Raman was brought up by his mother in his uncle's house. In the third one, Tenali Raman gave up. He did not want to learn. But according to the passage, Tenali Raman never gave up and was eager to learn always. Next is fourth, Tenali Raman was blessed by goddess Lakshmi. Now according to the passage, Tenali Raman was blessed by goddess Kali. Next statement, Tenali Raman was the first poet in King Krishnadev Rai's court. But according to the passage, the correct statement is Tenali Raman was the 8th poet in King Krishnadev Rai's court. Next, Tenali Raman was known as a spiritual poet. But when we read this passage, according to that, Tenali Raman was known as a Vikat poet. So you have to complete it like this with the help of pencil as I have completed. Come to the next one. B. Find synonyms of the given words in the passage. First is famous. Passage it is given popular. So it is a similar meaning of famous, popular. Second is funny. The similar meaning is humor. Next is keen. So synonym is eager according to the passage. Fourth is wandering, means roaming according to the passage, children. Fifth is impressed. So it is pleased. Completed like this. Now the question answer is based on the passage. First is who was Tenali Raman? So the answer is Tenali Raman was a scholar, a poet and a thinker. He was one of the 8th poet in the court of King Krishnadev Rai of the Vijayanagar Empire. Now the next question is, whom did Tenali worship and what happened as a result? So Tenali worshipped goddess Kali. As a result, she blessed him. Now the next question is, how was Tenali Raman appointed as a poet in King Krishnadev Rai's court? So the answer is Tenali was a part of a troupe that was chosen to perform in the court of King Krishnadev Rai. His humorous nature caught the attention of a king. Now the next question is, why is Tenali Raman remembered today? According to that, answer is, according to the passage, Tenali Raman is remembered today for his wit. Wit means he is a wise person, clever person, and ability to find solutions in confusing situations. So you have to write it with the help of pencil in the book only. Come to the next exercise. Add as many nouns as you can to form collocations with the given adjectives. In this, one word is given and second word you have to add. Pleasant, experience, weather, pleasant, unpleasant, conversation and pleasant day. So in the collocation, one word is given and second word you have to add to complete the collocation, children, like this. So complete it in your workbook of lesson 5. Thank you.